Welcome back to Accurate One. Today, we're covering the first step in your Python journey, choosing an editor or programming environment. Think of editors as the tools that let you write and organize your code. They're like a workspace where you can bring your ideas to life. There are plenty of great editors out there, each with unique strengths. Visual Studio Code is one of the most popular, known for its flexibility and a huge variety of plugins that can enhance your coding experience. PyCharm, on the other hand, is more of an integrated development environment or IDE, offering powerful tools built right in, which can be very helpful as you advance. Other fantastic editors include Atom and Sublime Text. Atom, created by GitHub, is a free and open source editor that's highly customizable and beginner friendly, while Sublime Text is a lightweight and extremely fast with a clean interface that's popular among many programmers. Most of these editors can be customized by installing extensions or packages. For Python, extensions like syntax highlighting, debugging tools, and autocompleting can make writing and troubleshooting code much easier. While a basic editor is perfect for starting out, you might eventually explore a full-featured IDE like PyCharm for larger projects, where you need more structure and tools. By the end of this session, you'll know how to set up an editor that works for you, so you're ready to jump into coding with Python. Let's get started! To start coding in Python, you'll need to install Python itself and choose an editor. I'll walk you through where to download Python, Visual Studio Code, and PyCharm. So, first of all, you need to go python.org. This is official website where you can download the latest version of Python. Once you're there, go to the downloads, and it should automatically detect your operating system. So you can click on this. So this is the latest version of Python. You can see here it's downloading. And then by clicking on the downloaded file, you can easily just install it. That's it. Next, let's look at Visual Studio Code. Go to code.visualstudio.com. This is where you can download VS Code for Windows, macOS, or Linux. On the home page, you'll see a download button that automatically provides the version for your OS. For example, here you can see it says download for macOS. You can easily click on this. That's it. So the downloading automatically starts. Lastly, let's visit the PyCharm website at jetbrains.com/PyCharm. PyCharm offers both a free community version and a professional version. For now, the community version is perfect for getting started with Python, and you can download it directly from this page. So you press download. Here you can download PyCharm Professional, and here you can download PyCharm Community Edition. So easily it will detect your operating system, and then press download. That's it. Just by clicking on the downloaded file, you can have these editors on your machine. Once you've downloaded Python and chosen an editor, we'll move on to setting them up so you're ready to start coding. See you then.